Let us look at the next infrastructure in Azure's physical infrastructure, namely availability zones. Availability zones are essential for ensuring high availability and mission-critical application support. They are physically separate data centers within a region that are designed to provide independent power, cooling, and networking capabilities. These data centers are connected via high-speed fiber optic networks, ensuring that applications and services continue running without interruption. A minimum of 3 availability zones are present to maintain a high availability and ensure that mission-critical applications are always available. However, it is important to note that not all regions support Azure Availability Zones. One of the primary advantages of Azure Availability Zones is that they create an isolation boundary. If one availability zone goes down, the others continue working without interruption. This means that your applications and services can continue running without any downtime. In the context of overall Azure's physical infrastructure, availability zones come almost next to the data centers. In this image, you can notice the Central India region has 3 zones, namely Zone 1, Zone 2, and Zone 3. To achieve high availability, a region has at least 3 zones. Each zone will have one or more data centers to it. As you can notice, a region may or may not support an availability zone. Hence, if your business use case requires this feature, then ensure to pick the closest region that supports it. Several Azure services support availability zones, including VMs, managed disks, load balancers, and SQL databases. These services have been designed to provide different levels of redundancy and protection for your applications and data.